I'm going to show today how to use intention candles, which we have been giving out to our students and clients. People have been buying from us. So what are intention candles? Intention candles are these, which I make. They come in different colors with different ingredients for different purposes. You can see here different combinations. Now these come in a 31 pieces pack. The intention candles come in a 31 pieces pack, means it is one for each day. You light one candle per day. Now how do you light them? A lot of people have come back and given us feedback saying that this has worked wonderfully for them, and whatever they wanted happened, and whatever they manifested happened, and things like that. So it makes us happy that people are using it and people are getting results out of it. So this is many who have heard about it have come back asking how to use intention candles. Now I will show you how to use intention candles here in a demonstration. So we'll just use one of our candles here. These candles come two in a pack like this, and you'll get 31 candles like this in a big pack, which will be of one color. So whatever your intention is, you need to tell us what you want it for. You can use it for love, you can use it for prosperity, you can use it for a particular wish or anything like that. Whatever your wishes, you can use it for that, or you can use it generally for overall different wishes or different intentions also. You can use it, or we can make it that way also. This particular one you see here, this is orange in color. This is a road opener intention candle. That means if you have any blocks in your life, like money blocks, love blocks, relationship blocks, anything like that, you can use a road opener intention candles. And this one is for fertility. Many of our clients who have used this, it's a yellow color, slightly orangish yellow, lemon yellow, sorry. And those who have used this have seen results. We have come across some of our clients who were having difficulty conceiving, and after using these candles, they have successfully conceived, of course with the help of medical science. Of course, they have been going through treatments, and this is an additional help. So we do not interfere with any medical treatments you have. In case it is an issue, medical issue, we do not interfere with that. You can use this as an alternative healing method. So this also with along with your medical treatment, this if you use along with that, this it will help. So that is how intention candles are made. Now I'll just show here how we use this, how to use this. So here we have one candle. This one, this is for love. Red intention candle is for love. You can use pink also. Now I have one paper here. This is a parchment paper. So what you do, you write here whatever you want. Now you use a red pen if you want something to come to you. That means you want to get something. If you want to remove something, you use a black pen to write. So one of you use either of this. Now instead of this, there is something called magical ink, which is no, I don't have it here with me, which is a ink which we use to write with a felt pen. So that you can use that also. In case you want to use that, you can use that. That makes the petition. This is called a petition. What we are writing now is called a petition. When you write with the ink, magical ink, it makes the petition stronger. That is why it is used, because it is what people used to use in olden days. There are 3 kinds of inks which we use. One is the dragon's blood ink, the bat's blood ink, and the dove's blood ink. So these are the 3 inks. We do not harm any animals or birds or anything in that. The name is that's all. They are made of resins. So that is another day's topic. Now I will just show here. Suppose I want to attract something. So I am going to write here. Attract one particular name. You write somebody's name here. Okay, let's say somebody's name. Okay, you write the name here. Then you take the oil. Now we have the oil. We have different oils. This is the attraction oil. So you use the attraction oil. You open it. See, this is the oil. Now you add to all 4 corners of the paper and the middle. This oil. And you paste it everywhere. Then you fold it towards you, like this, towards you. Okay, one more time, like this. You fold it. You keep it here, anywhere in your home. You take the intention candle, keep it on top of it. Now you light the intention candle. You keep it like this and you say your intention. Whatever your intention is, you say that out loud. You have to say it loud because the universe has to hear that. This is all what you do, and you do this every day. Now the oil you can apply on your wrist. Take a bit and apply on your wrist here, both sides. Wrist, under your knees, behind your ears, under your feet. These are the places you apply the oil. This also will help. So this is how you do this. Now once this burns out completely, this you have to wait until it burns out completely. Once it burns out completely, almost over, then you take the paper and you light it. You light the paper and let the ashes blow out the ashes to the universe. Now there is another candle also which we have recently made, which is easier for people. I'll show that also. This is the smallest one. Now this will, the other intention candle which I showed you, it will stay for around maybe 2-3 hours or more than that to finish. So you have to wait all that time. So this one is the latest one which we have come up with. This takes hardly 10-15 minutes. So this, when you keep here like this and you light it, it will burn off in 15 minutes, almost 15 minutes it will burn out. So it will finish, and then you can remove the whole thing and just discard it. If there is still, you will not be able to remove the paper from here because this wax will melt onto the paper. So that is how it is, and you just take it out and you discard it, throw it away, that's all. And next day you light another one. This is very small, yes, you can see here in my hands, very small. Same intention, it is the same intention candle which we use in the bigger, this one. This is a bigger one and this is a small one. So those who are in a hurry, those who want to go to the office goers, students who want to study and who go to college and all, they can use this. Those who are housewives and people who are at home who have time can use this. This is done daily. You need to use this daily. So when you order intention candles 31 pieces. That is a month's supply. That is why it's called a month supply. And along with that, you order the oil also. So once you're ordering the intention candle, you order the corresponding oil also. Does not come in one package. It is both are different products. So when you are ordering the intention candles, just choose the oil, corresponding oil. For that you can contact me on WhatsApp. These two are used in a combination. That it works that way. So this is how it looks like when you light the candle. You can decorate the candle, you can decorate the area with flowers and all that. And this is how it looks when it melts. So you can see the petition paper under there has completely been covered in the wax. So this is a very good thing. Otherwise you need to burn the paper. Now this is completely covered in the wax, means all the prayers, all the chants, all the whatever is gone into making the candles has been absorbed in the petition paper. So these are the different varieties of the candles you just saw, the miniature candles, and that's how you do this. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again in another video.